Welcome to Deep Kiran Classes of Commerce and Expert Coaching with Guaranteed Success. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.
Today we are going to start with the last sum of this chapter, that is sum number 10 on page number 166. The following is the balance sheet of Om and Jay as on 31st March 2018. They share profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Now balance sheet is given to you. Balance sheet, see, creditors 30,000, capital accounts 21,000, current account Om and Jay. Current accounts are also given 3,750, 3,450. Asset side, cash is given as 3,000, then building 15,000, machinery 21,000, furniture 900, stock 12,300, debtors 27,000. Total of balance sheet is 79,200. They take Jagdish into partnership on 1st April 2018. First, Jagdish should pay 3,000 as his share of goodwill, and 50% of the goodwill withdrawn by partners in cash. Now, Jagdish is going to pay 3,000 as the amount of goodwill, out of which 50% is to be withdrawn by the existing partner, that is Om and Jay. Then he should bring 9,000 as capital for 1/4 share in future profits. Number third, building to be valued at 18,000. What is the value of building as per the balance sheet? 15,000. That means there is appreciation. Machinery and furniture to be depreciated by 10%. So there is depreciation on machinery and furniture. A provision of 5% on debtors is to be made for doubtful debts. So there should be a provision for RDD at the rate of 5%. Then stock is to be taken at the value of 15,000. Now, as per the balance sheet, stock value is 12,300. Now it is to be valued at 15,000. That means there is appreciation. Okay. Prepare profit and loss adjustment account, partners current account, and the new balance sheet. Now, one by one we will see. First, I'll show you the working, and then we will start with the sum. Okay. See, let the total share of the firm be 1. 1 minus 1/4 is 3/4. So Om's new share is 3/5 into 3/4 is equal to 9/20. Jay's new share is equal to 2/5 into 3/4 is equal to 6/20. Now Jagdish share is 1/4. Okay, to make it 20, what it should be multiplied by? 5/5. So 5/20. So new profit sharing ratio of Om, Jay and Jagdish comes to 9:6:5. Okay. This is their now new ratio. Now profit and loss adjustment account. See, particulars amount. Now machinery is to be depreciated by 10%. On how much was the value of machinery? 21,000. So 10% comes to 2,100. Furniture also by 10% on 900 it comes to 90. RDD at the rate of 5%. Okay. Now what are the amounts of debtor? 27,000. 5% will come to 1,350. Is it clear? This is the loss or the expense. Okay. And on the credit side, we are going to write the appreciation amount. Building is to be valued at 18,000, but the value of building as per your current balance sheet is how much? 15,000. So appreciation by 3,000, and stock is to be again, the value of stock as per the given balance sheet is 12,300, but it is to be valued at the stock is to be valued at 15,000, so 2,700. So this is higher, 5,700. This is not less than 5,700. So we will first calculate this on the credit side. It comes to 5,700 minus this. It will come, okay, so the remaining amount will be 2,160. This is the revaluation profit. Okay, it is the revaluation profit. Now this revaluation profit is to be distributed in their old profit sharing ratio, that is 3:2. So Om 1,296 and J 864. Now current accounts are to be maintained. So we are going to transfer this revaluation loss in the current account. When two accounts are given, I have said when two accounts are given, when it follows a fixed method. Okay, in this both the capital accounts and current accounts are given. Now capital accounts we will write as it is. So see, capital accounts by balance 21,000, 21,000. Now Jagdish has brought capital 9,000. We are going to write it in the capital account 9,000, and we are going to close this as it is. So balance we will take in the balance sheet 21,000, 21,000 and 9,000. Now in the current account, balances are given 3,750, 3,450. Now goodwill is brought by incoming partner, that is Jagdish, rupees 3,000. That is to be distributed in their old profit sharing ratio, that is 3:2. That comes to 1,800, 1,200. Then revaluation profit 1,296, 864. Because all the adjustments regarding all the adjustments of this is to be maintained in the current account. Okay. Then what they have said, that 50% of the goodwill is withdrawn. Okay. So see, 18,000 का 50% कितना होगा? 900. और 1200 का 50% कितना होगा? 600. This is withdrawn. Now in the cash account, see, balance 3,000. Jagdish has brought 9,000 as capital here by bank, here by to capital 9,000. Goodwill 3,000. Now goodwill is distributed over here 3,800, 1,800 and 1,200. Then this of this 50% is withdrawn. That Om has withdrawn 900 and Jay has withdrawn 600. Here we have written this. Okay. I hope this you have understood, because 50% of the goodwill is withdrawn. So we are writing it in the current account debit side and cash account credit side, because cash is withdrawn by this partners. So the balance carried down will be 5,946, 4,914. So here we are going to close the current accounts. Okay. So the total of Jay's capital account is 5,514 minus 600, remaining will be this. Om's credit side total will be 6,846 minus 900. The balance will be 5,946. Both the total of both the sides should be equal. Here I have completed this portion. Now we'll go to the new balance sheet. I hope this you have understood. Cash, I have said cash balance was this. Jagdish capital, he has brought 9,000, goodwill he has brought 3,000, out of which 50% is withdrawn by the existing partners. So it comes to 1,500. This entry will be cash account credit side, capital account partners current account debit side, and the balances will be written. I hope this you have understood. Now we are going to prepare the new balance sheet. Okay, new balance sheet, liabilities, amount, assets, amount. See, sundry creditors, there is no change. So creditors as it is. Capital, they have adjusted, okay, in their new no, capital is also same because they have we have prepared current account. In the current account we have done all the adjustment. So as it is, capital 21,000 and 9,000. Now current account balances. In this sum we have prepared current account. In that, balance was rupees 5,946, 4,914. Okay, so the total comes to 10,860. This is current account. Then asset side, see, cash, the balance on cash, because cash balance was 3,000, then Jagdish has bought the amount plus goodwill amount, and then 50% is withdrawn. So the cash balance is rupees 13,500. This I have shown before also. Then building 15,000. There is appreciation by 20%. It comes to 3,000. So in the outer column it is 18,000. Machinery 21,000. There is depreciation at the rate of 10%. So 2,100. So if you minus 21,000 from 2,100, it will be 18,900. Then furniture value is 900, at the depreciation at the rate of 10% comes to 90. So 900 minus 90 is 810. Then stock is 12,000. 12,300 plus, so it will come to 15,000. Appreciation is 2,700, so it will come to 15,000. Then debtors 27,000. RDD is to be maintained at 5%, that comes to 1,350. So outer column 25,650. Now if you total up all this, it will come to 91,860. Okay, these are current account. I have prepared and shown you how this balances have, because when we are asked to prepare current account, we do all the adjustment in the current account. So here we have completed the chapter number 3 of admission, reconstitution of partnership, admission of a partner.